Hi, we're here with Dina Maria at the Asian Style Awards. Tell me, what made you get involved with this?
Well, I was invited by Fatima, who's the CEO of the company, to be the spokesperson and the face of ASA. I think it's a brilliant platform to be associated with, to try and make people in the Asians, especially in the UK, more aware of the Asian Style Awards. Which helps them get a platform to show off their talent. So I thought it'd be great for me to be here and spread that awareness. So that's why I'm here.
Excellent. And you yourself started life as a supermodel and now you're a renowned Bollywood star. Tell us a bit about yourself.
Well, I did. Straight out of college, I finished and I started doing a couple of modeling stints, which was really interesting at that time because it was quick money. That's why. I moved to Bombay about 10 years ago because that's where all the modeling did happen. Got recognized while I was modeling to do my first film, Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi. And like they say, the rest is history. So it all happened. As a matter of fact, I just went with the flow, did one thing after the other, and it's hard now because you got to sustain and maintain and keep fighting. And there's always a competition, there's always challenges, but it's a brilliant industry.
And you've got a film of yours releasing this weekend. Want to tell us a bit about that one?
Well, I've got 10 Kahaniyan releasing. It's 10 short films, and I'm in one of the short films. My short film is called Sex on the Beach. It's not an adult film. It's just a bold name. It's quite interesting. I think it's this whole 10 Kahaniyan. Yeah, it's a cocktail. It's an interesting concept because our audiences are not used to short films. So we're giving them 10 short films all rolled into one film as such, called 10 Kahaniyan. And if you don't like one, there's the other. If you don't like the other, there's the third. So there are 10 films to choose from to go and watch, and I'm pretty sure they'll like most of them because they all are really interesting stories.
And what else have you got planned in the pipeline?
I've got Brum releasing end of Jan. I've got Anamika releasing around the same time. There's a song I've done with Preeti Zinta for a movie called Harpal, which is it's like the so-called item. I'm playing the item boy. And I'm start shooting 2 films next year. I've got my production house, Clockwork Films, going already. It started. We're making ad films. So I've got a plate full of things happening with me right now. Hi guys, this is Dina Maria. You're watching me on videowala.com.